Hey, everyone. Hello. Hey, we are here in, I guess yes, that's right. We are here in Munich, Germany, everyone. Yes. Hey, we're in Munich, you guys. We are here, and we're on the bus, you guys. Get ready to get my little mask on. Good boy. Alrighty. Then you can. Alrighty, so we're here in the grocery store here in let me see what I need, you guys. So we're here. I'm looking for some stuff.
Munich is the capital and most populous city of Bavaria, Germany. As of November 30th, 2024, its population was 1,604,384, making it the third largest city in Germany after Berlin and Hamburg. The city is known for its annual Oktoberfest celebration and its beer halls, including the famed Hofbrauhaus, founded in 1589. This is the central Marienplatz Square. It contains landmarks such as Neo-Gothic News Rathaus, Town Hall, with a popular Glockenspiel show that chimes and reenacts stories from the 16th century. In the 1920s, Munich became a center of political movements, including the rise of the Nazi Party. The city was known as the capital of the movement. During World War II, Munich was heavily bombed, but much of its historic architecture has since been restored.
here in Munich, Germany, and I'm in one of the stores. I need a hat, you guys, so I like hats. So I'm here looking for a hat. All right, let's see what I find. Maybe get a different color. I think that's what I might get. I think that's what I might. All right. Okay, you guys, so I'm here trying on a hat. I said I was maybe get a different color, but you know, black, I like blacks. Yeah, so, what you think? Yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna buy my hat, you guys. That's right. Here. Hat. Your boy. Alright, so let's go buy this. Alles klar? Ja. Okay. Wäre gar nicht nötig gewesen. Danke, Ihnen auch. Ciao. Das kannst du auch machen, weil das ist die Rückseite. Germany. That's right. Sitting here enjoying a nice Bavarian dish. We are about to go Place nummer 3. Ah ja.